Hello everyone. Welcome to another art tutorial with Udo Creatives. Today we will be doing a simple nail art tutorial and demonstrating how to draw a Christmas tree. This tutorial is beginner friendly and uses basic materials which I will add in the description below. First thing you want to do is apply white gel nail polish for your base. You can use other colors, but I will be using white as it works well for me. Now, using my pointed brush, I will start designing the tree. The pointed brush gives me good precision for this. I'm starting by applying standard green gel nail polish. Notice how I am making the tree outline here. Notice how my pattern looks like a triangle. Next, I am adding light green nail polish on the standard green layers I created. Next, I am adding silver nail polish on the light green layers I created. You can see the triangle pattern of the tree much better now. Now, I am adding gold nail polish on the silver layers I created. Next thing I will be doing is to outline the tree to really bring out the shape. I will be using my light green polish for that. See how it looks like a proper tree now. For my tree trunk, I will be using brown gel nail polish. Now, you can choose to stop here. But personally, I like to go a little extra. I will be adding some stickers. To add the stickers, you can use tweezers if you have any. I'm using a custom tool. Carefully add your stickers. I will be using a star sticker and some ball stickers. And there you have it. An easy Christmas tree nail art pattern. Thank you very much for watching. Remember to experiment with more designs and patterns. Please like this video and subscribe to Udo Creatives for more art content.